You should use more QL fans. You should make more builds with just Unicorn Spew RGB. You should do a build in the Corsair 4000D airflow. You should do more air-cooled builds. You should use more ROG parts. The truth is, we get lots of questions and lots of requests from people to build all of these different types of PCs with parts that they want to see. So what I did is I decided to put all of them in a single build. So if you want to see how this Unicorn Spew 4000D airflow build came together, stick around. As far as us building these PCs on the channel, the reason we mainly do this is to inspire you guys to build beautiful PCs of your own. However, you guys have had a lot of suggestions for things that you wanted to see, and I figured that I could get a few of those suggestions and actually make a decent looking PC. With that said, this PC is purely about aesthetics. It's not about performance. It's nothing like that. It's just what you guys want to see come together. So without further ado, let's see how it all came together. ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this build in the Corsair 4000D Airflow in black. I've actually been meaning to build in this case for the longest time, but I haven't been able to get one. They've actually been out of stock, yes, another out of stock thing, but I saw they were in stock at M-Wave and I ended up picking one up from M-Wave. So shout outs to M-Wave for having these in stock. I went out and bought this one this morning just to do this video for you guys because yeah, you've been asking us to do the black version of this case basically since we did the white version of this case. And I'm gonna be honest, I really like the 4000D and the 5000D. We've got a...
Did you really just do that?
What did she do? I really like these new Corsair cases. It's a huge return to form for Corsair. And I said that when we did our 5000D review and with the original 4000D build that we did, the white one. You can check that out in the top right hand corner right now. And I've been absolutely chomping at the bit to get hands-on with another one of these cases. They are absolutely fantastic. And I actually have used a black one before, just not on the channel. My best mate who lives next door bought one of these, I don't know, a month ago or something like that. And I sat with him while we built it together and I was like, man, that thing looks really cool in black. So yeah, here we are. I'm definitely gonna be doing another build with this. I've got a very interesting thing in mind for this. I think you guys are gonna love what I've got planned for this build, this other build. Now this is kind of a memey build, I'm not gonna lie. It's just a bunch of ideas that you guys had that I thought that if we rolled it together in a single video, it wouldn't actually look too bad. And I actually think it looks pretty cool. The Unicorn Speed RGB is a bit over the top. And yeah, that's basically it. As far as peeling the side panel, I'm gonna save that for the really cool build that I've got planned for this as well. It's probably gonna be out in the next few weeks or so. So yeah, stick around for that. That's gonna be, I'm actually keen for that. That's actually the reason why I got this case is for that build. And I was like, you know what, in the meantime, I bought it, I might as well use it. So let's make a bit of a meme PC. To answer the question, I know people are going to ask in the comments, oh, what RGB strip did I use down here? It's just a random addressable one that I had. Any RGB strip will fit down there basically. As long as it's like the width of a regular RGB strip, which is, I don't know how wide they are. I'm gonna say 10 mil, I don't know. It'll fit down there and that's kind of the point of it. There's a hole in each end of the PSU shroud to run cables through. So it's really easy to do if you wanna do that. But yeah, that's it. I'm done. PCPartPicker list down below in the description if you want to know what everything is. If you like the music you heard here, I make all the music that's available over on Patreon. And you want to get early access to videos like this one, over on Floatplane. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And we had to stop filming, well, midway through this whole outro bit because the cat climbed on a shelf and smashed something. It's being naughty today, eh, Claire? She's been real naughty. Anyway, well, you've probably seen her in the video a couple times, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you very much. I really do mean that. I do. Thanks for watching.